Hey, I'm Zoe.
And I'm Derrell.
And this is Taste Off,
The show where you challenge us to recreate your favorite restaurant dishes.
We go to the restaurant, we try it, and then we come back here and recreate it in 30 minutes.
And then the challenger comes on and tells us who did a better job.
It's definitely me.
It'll always be me.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
What's going on, Derrell?
What's going on, Zoe?
God, just like the singing I'm oh my God, today is a good day.
All right,
Let's
what does
see what
Kiana have for us?
Hey guys, it's Kiana, and I challenge you to make my favorite donut from DK Donuts, the Ube Crumb Cake Donut. It is amazing.
Okay, Kiana.
I'll take that.
Donuts?
A Ube Crumb Cake Donut?
That sounds fire. Ube, have you ever had Ube?
I've had Ube once.
Honestly, like, full confession time, I'm a horrible baker.
Same.
Oh, great, perfect.
This will be an even challenge.
This is gonna be fantastic.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome to DK Donuts.
There's so many colors. How many donuts do you
We
have?
have over 120 different kinds of donuts.
This place smells incredible.
And your parents started this a while back, right?
Yeah, so it actually started in 1981. My parents, they were immigrants from Cambodia, and they came here and started a donut shop in Santa Monica.
We're here on a mission today.
Ube.
We hear your Ube crumble donuts are just like insane.
I've had Ube once in my life.
Had it never. So we're here to try it.
Okay.
We're gonna have 2 of them.
Yes.
And we're actually gonna battle it out in the kitchen to see who can recreate it the best. So if you
Okay.
have any tips for us,
Don't.
let us know. Yeah.
I have a fresh batch, so I'm gonna go grab that and bring it on over for you.
All right, thank
Fancy.
you.
Yeah, I got that fresh
Damn.
batch right here.
That's what I like.
Shut it down.
I actually invented this recipe, and you know, I thought ube is such one of my childhood favorite flavors.
Is it baked? Is it fried? Is
It's
it?
fried.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, tip.
That's
fried.
one tip. And the packaging is super cute. Like
a
this.
little piece of heaven.
Yeah.
Good luck on your challenge. One of my hints is that you just have to use real ube.
Ah.
Ube. No ube extract.
No.
No fake
No.
stuff.
Ube extra.
Noted.
I appreciate that.
Noted. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Cheers.
Good luck.
Smells
All right, let's just dive right in.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, moist.
Hey.
It's like fluffy, it's moist, the frosting is good. It's not heavy.
It's so light and fluffy, not dense at all. The flavor's incredible.
Is there anything
How are
you
we
pick
gonna
up?
recreate
I have
this?
no idea. It's
Well,
excellent.
neither of us are bakers. This is gonna be a tough one. Are you ready?
Let's take it back to the kitchen.
All right, let's go.
We're back from DK's Donuts, and these are absolutely the best donuts I've ever eaten in my life.
They were so good. However,
I've never
I'm
made a
so
freaking Ube donut in my life.
30 minutes on the clock.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, first
There
thing,
you go.
Ube's
Yeah,
going
get you in there first.
I really have anxiety. Oh my God, my armpits are
So-
sweating. Wait, what do I do? All right, yeah, flour,
Okay.
need that.
I think I'm gonna go with 2 eggs.
Yeah, let me get 2 eggs
There
too.
you go. I think I'm gonna build mine like in a super abstract way.
I'm leveling it off. That's 1 tablespoon. This looks really big.
Is this as high as this thing
Wait,
goes?
no, this is 1 tablespoon. TBSP, is that tablespoon?
Tablespoon? Yeah,
Okay, no, I need a teaspoon.
Ambidextrous.
What is that?
Egg white. So I think since it's fluffy, I wanted to incorporate like an egg white piece into it. Well, I think that ube might be done.
Mine still has a little bit to go.
If you need, use some of this.
If it mashes, I'll just run it. Yeah.
Never use it in my life.
How much of that you gonna use?
Yeah. No worries.
I think we both know right now this is not.
Yo,
we're not
we
in
in
our
this one
field.
together.
Here,
So
I'll,
good.
since it's both of ours, I'll mash it up a little bit too. Wow, this looks like Barney. This is beautiful. Put it in the fridge so it can cool before we mix.
I can't even do anything until we get to that point.
You can make your icing.
Oh, that smells good.
Man, this color is just everything.
I'm gonna just rub that butter in. Okay, damn, all right.
And it wasn't overly sweet, right? Like,
Yeah, it wasn't.
okay.
Ah, sugar. Can't forget the sugar.
Oh. I didn't fart, I promise. I know you do that. Oh, I didn't put any. Oh God, I hope they don't stick. Whoa.
Whoa, you good?
Yeah. Icing because I'm making icing. You see that? 12 minutes. All right.
Check our donut. They're trying. Hey, they look like they're doing
smell
what they're
good.
supposed to do.
Mine's are rising. Are yours rising?
No.
Oh. No, let me not talk. Let me not talk crap, cause.
I feel like is my oven on?
Yeah. Oh wait, it's not on.
I think this oven is off. Like it's not cooking. It doesn't feel that hot to me.
No, it's at 200. Look at the thermometer inside.
200. I wonder why yours was rising and mine was just looking liquidy.
Hot icing. Okay. Wait, you use cream?
Yeah.
How do we know when it's ready? Wait, where's like
yours might be ready.
A toothpick or something? Oh, it came out clean.
Yeah.
I forgot to butter them, so I don't even know if they're gonna come out.
4 minutes? Yeah. Those donuts look good. Do they taste good?
You know.
'Cause I'm coming. As soon as these donuts rise.
And we have a second bite. Maybe it'll be 2 minutes.
Done. 2 minutes?
I just need one pretty donut to come on out and play. How are your donuts looking, bro?
They look good, actually.
Why is it not like, okay.
I wish I could have fried these. How many? One?
Ah!
Oh, wow. All right.
Okay, there's my crumble.
All right.
Let's do one more.
I gotta crumble these a little more.
Oh my God.
We did it though. We're not bakers.
We did something. I don't. Maybe because I gave her an extra one, she'll like mine better.
So now we have Kiana here to try our donuts.
Hello.
DK's Donuts was amazing. Thank you so much for sending us there.
Yes,
Kelly.
it's my favorite. I love donuts.
Now you have a really tough job.
I know.
Neither one of us could bake, so this is gonna be very interesting.
So yeah, taste them. Let me know which one's the winner. Let us
Okay.
know. All right, good.
I will say, like, from looks, they're very different from the DKs. I'll start with this one. Let's see. This one's sticky. The DK's one isn't really sticky like that, but I feel like the flavor is a little similar. I feel like this one definitely looks closer to the DK's one. That one's a little moist. Wow, okay. It's a little doughy. Still chewing, so I have tasted both.
Parched.
Some water, thank you so much.
Parched.
If I were voting based on presentation, I feel like this one would win, but if we're going on taste, I think this one's definitely a little bit better.
So which one's the overall winner?
The one on the right.
There we go, yeah.
So sorry you had to try that.
Yeah.
You, sir, won this one. I'll take the L from you.
Big ass L. All right, so if you guys got a restaurant that you want us to try, make sure you use hashtag #TasteOff.
We want to try it. Want to come back and recreate it? All right, you had it this time. Thank you. So
welcome.
sorry. I'm so sorry.